So, really? All I was going to say that until you flipping butted in. Anyway. It's me, Steve Mangleshot, Wok from Home, episode 2. We're doing wok-fried greens. I've told you the story about me not being in the kitchen. We did katsu for episode 1. We're now doing a really good side dish. Loads of great fresh veggies. This is what I had. So look, you can change these up. You can use what you need. This is tenderstem broccoli. We have green beans. We have asparagus. We have nice, beautiful, crunchy spring onions, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, 2 great sauces, a mushroom stir-fry sauce and a bit of soy sauce for that salt level. This I'm going to blanch. So I'm going to blanch these veggies. I'm going to cut some of this raw up and then I'm going to stir-fry it. So what I'll do, enough talking, I'm going to go and do some cooking. So this is all going to be very quick blanching. Asparagus in with the green beans. Bring it back to the boil very quickly. Then we're going to fish it out and I have some cold water here that we're going to cool it right down. Get that to the boil, just take the edge off it, soften it really quickly and really slightly, but not too much because we still want that beautiful crunch within the veg. So all we're going to do is just have some nice thin slices of garlic that we're just going to throw in a pan as they are. No chopping too much for this one. Just literally lovely thin slices that almost melt in the pan. Beautiful. Like little thin garlic crisps. And I love ginger, that's why I'm adding ginger to it, because it just gives it that lovely little bit of heat. And it's absolutely stunning. So there we go, that'll be enough of that. And then just a little julienne, which is like matchsticks, but rough as. So now we're going to mix our sauce for our wok-fried greens. So we're going to use about a teaspoon of soy sauce. And our beautiful mushroom stir-fry sauce. We're going to probably have, if it comes out of the bottle, there we go, a little bit more, there we go, perfect. And that's a tablespoon. So we're just going to mix that all together. And there you go. That's ready for our wok-fried greens. Let's get the rest of the ingredients and get it cooking. Nice little wok pan on there. A little bit of olive oil in the bottom. Getting that nice and hot because we want a quick stir fry. And what we're going to do, I'm going to start adding the garlic to it. A little bit of ginger. Then the vegetables, sauce. Finish it off. All very quick. Finish it with a bit of spring onion. So, it's going to be like lightning. It's going to go boom, 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 boom. So here we go. Let's get a bit of garlic in there. Start here to sizzle. Little bit of ginger in there. Again, hear that sizzle. Just want to let it start to fry gently. Get a bit of colour on it. All that flavour's coming out now. You can smell it. You can't, I can. Now the vegetables in there. Smell of that ginger and the garlic. Absolutely amazing. So now we've got some lovely heat going through that now. So now we're going to add some sauce. It's our stir-fry sauce. And we're going to plate it up and then garnish with our lovely spring onions. So here we go. A little bit of sauce on there as well, just to give that beautiful feel to it. And there it is, our wok-fried greens. So, there you have it. Perfect side dish, wok-fried greens, nice and fresh and crunchy. Really healthy little dish that. Great side for any accompaniment, for any meal you want. Goes well with fish. Do like it with a bit of fish. Anyway, see you in the next episode.
face.